I need you. ما تستا ضرورت دی. I need you. Without wasting time. بغیر د وخت خرابولو نه. Without wasting time. Focus on your study. خپلی پڑھائی تا پام وکړه. Focus on your study. He is weak at پشتو. هغه په پښتو کې کمزوری دی. He is weak at پشتو. What are you thinking? ته څه سوچ کوي. What are you thinking? Don't be kidding. ټوکې مه کوه. Don't be kidding. What are you doing? ته څه کوي. What are you doing? I don't have any cash. ما سره نغدی نشتا. I don't have any cash. I took your mobile number. ستا د فون شمیره ما واغستا. I took your mobile number. I want to meet him. ما لره هغه سره ملاقات کول دی. I want to meet him. I can do. زه کولی شم. I can do. Charge your mobile. موبایل دی چارج کړه. Charge your mobile. Don't look at him. هغه ته مه ګوره. Don't look at him. It could be. دا کیدلی شي. It could be. You can run. ته منډه وهلی شي. You can run. You are going there. ته هلته روان یې. You are going there. Walk with me. ما سره لاړ شه. Walk with me. What do you want? ته څه غواړې. What do you want? Face your problems. د خپلو مسلو مخنیوی وکړه. Face your problems. You don't worry about me. ته زما فکر مه کوه. You don't worry about me. I love my work. زما د خپل کار سره مینه ده. I love my work. I am feeling very bad. ما ته ډیر بد لګي. I am feeling very bad. I need answer. زما ځواب پکار دی. I need answer. Hold it carefully. دا په احتیاط سره ونیسه. Hold it carefully. This is your duty. دا ستا کار دی. This is your duty. What's going on? څه روان دی. What's going on? Everything is okay. هر څه سم دی. Everything is okay. Find anyone else. بل څوک وګوره. Find anyone else. I am on the way. زه په لاره یم. I am on the way. She looks like you. هغه ستا په شان ښکاري. She looks like you. Don't laugh too much. ډیر خانده مه. Don't laugh too much. What did he say? هغه څه وویل. What did he say? What did she say? هغې څه وویل. What did she say? What did you say? تا څه وویل. What did you say? Can you speak پښتو? آیا ته پښتو ویلی شي. Can you speak پښتو? I am glad to meet you. تا سره په میلاوېدو ډېر خوشحاله شوم. I am glad to meet you. I am asking something to you. زه تا نه څه پوښتنه کوم. I am asking something to you. I will call you tomorrow. زه به درته سبا فون وکړم. I will call you tomorrow. See you again. بیا میلاویږو. See you again. Get lost from here. د دې ځای نه ورکېږه. Get lost from here. What's the time? څه وخت دی. What's the time? I did it for you. ما دا ستا د پاره وکړو. I did it for you. This is too much. دا ډیر زیات دی. This is too much. Do you have a mobile? آیا تا سره موبایل شته؟ Do you have a mobile? How dare you? ستا همت څنګه وشو. How dare you? Who does want to meet me? ما سره څوک میلاوېدل غواړي. Who does want to meet me? Did he try? آیا هغه کوشش وکړو. Did he try? I live in Peshawar. زه پېښور کې اوسېږم. I live in Peshawar. Do your work. خپل کار کوه. Do your work. Come back. واپس راشه. Come back. What does he mean? د هغه مطلب څه دی. What does he mean? Don't be panic. یریږه مه. Don't be panic. Don't make excuses. بانې مه جوړوه. Don't make excuses. Don't get him angry. هغه قاروه مه. Don't get him angry. Don't wink at her. هغې ته سترګه مه وهه. Don't wink at her. I am with you. زه تا سره یم. I am with you. Are you reading something? څه لولې کو. Are you reading something? We are all with you. مونږ ټول تا سره یو. We are all with you. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.